All right, today I'm going to show you how to take off a lens cap and put on a lens cap on a camera lens. So right here I have my camera lens. This is a Sony FE 24-105 lens right here, and I am going to show you how to take the lens cap off. So the lens cap is on currently. The hood is on backwards for storing purposes. If I want to take the lens off, I simply come in, and this is a pinch lens cap remover. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pinch this. The lens cap comes off. I want to bring it back on. You can either pinch it. Sometimes you don't really need to. It just snaps into place. So I just pinch it, comes off, and put it back on. Now, if you have the hood on, which I'm going to go ahead and do that for you. Going to line this up. Right there. And with the hood on, I simply do the same process as pinch, pull off, voila. Pinch, press on, let it click, voila. And that's how you take on and off a lens cap on a camera lens. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.